mushy man. Oh my god, this would get so many hits on YouTube. Can you imagine? Hairless cat
Attacks hair.
Attacks Rupunzel. Whoa, mushy man, you're wild. Oh god. And you're really okay with this?
Yeah.
Aw. Mushy man, what's that? Does it hurt?
No. I'm just worried about him hurting his claws.
What's that you got, mushy man? Oh my god, I love it. I can't wait to show Angela this later. He's gonna be cracking up. Mushy man, you're so funny. Aw, you two are so cute. What a cute pair. Oh, ooh, Sophia's coming over too. Is she intrigued? Sophia, are you intrigued? Oh, I love it. Oh my god. Sophia never plays like this. Wow.